Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead and open up your Instagram app, and from this section you will be in home. You have to navigate to your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then access a post, and then go ahead tap on this three dot on top right corner, and then go ahead tap on this option of edit. Then you will find this account's name on top and add collaborators option. Tap on add collaborator, type in invite collaborators, simply go ahead search somebody. Once you have find them, simply go ahead tap on it, and once you have got that, you're simply going to tap on done on top, and you're going to simply be able to invite a collaborator or have a collaboration after the post has been posted. That's what you can do. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.